Hey guys, wanted to do a quick review of this new grill cover that we just got recently. It's been a couple weeks and we've gotten a lot of rain in that period, including some really heavy rain for hours last night. There was even a flash flood warning, so kind of a good opportunity to put this thing to the test. Its waterproof material has held up really nicely so far. You can kind of see maybe a little bit of the rain, the last to dry on the deck. I mean, this thing is completely dry. It's, rainwater just rolls off of it. Another thing that I like is that it fits. So I have a Traeger, can't remember the series exactly, but it held up really well. It fits really snug. So that's something that I also was kind of concerned before I bought this, but it works as advertised. And then another little thing, obviously, grill covers can be kind of loose unless there's a way to fasten them. So I'm gonna get down under here. You can see that there's a buckle on that side. And then if I come over here, more of the same, another fastener on this side. So you can adjust this as you want to really easily. I keep it nice and snug for obvious reasons. Want to make sure that our new grill lasts for a long time. One thing that I forgot to mention is that it has these zippers. So even if you don't have this buckled, it fits pretty well, but obviously that adds some additional tightness that is going to be better for long-term protection of your grill. But these zippers down the sides, it's kind of tricky to do with one hand because I'm holding the phone in my other hand, but you can kind of see, you get the idea. So now that's nice and loose, really easy to pull off. But I mean, I'm doing this with one hand, guys, as I hold the phone, and you can kind of see how simple it is to get off, and it's just as easy to put on there. So yeah, set it to the side, plug my Traeger in, and we're ready to go. Yeah, just easy, intuitive, works really well, good material, and highly recommend.